Hey, hello everyone. Let us understand what Scalenut has made changes about. It is a great app if you are going for content creation, and let us start exploring the new layout. So, what they have done is the new dashboard states GEO Watchtower, which is a new thing, as they already marked it new. This social outreach is again a new thing. You can see here it tells you about where you are mentioned on Reddit or what is happening to you in questions asked in SERP threads. So let us go and watch how we create an article using Scalenut. Right. So the initial dashboard used to look like this, which is now mentioned as GEO Core. It was originally a dashboard for Scalenut. Right. So we need to create an article. So we'll take an example of article for a magazine that we are trying to create. So let's hit create here. It gives you option to enter keywords which you want your article to be prominent for. You can choose the region. The options given are United States, United Kingdoms, India, Canada, Singapore, and so on. You can choose your. It gives you even like state-wise for few options, right? So what we'll do is we'll go for India, and we have already opened some keywords. We'll let us. We are creating an article for KK Times for September issue. So let us take child development milestones. We'll copy it. We'll try to child development, sorry, child development milestones. So it is a trending keyword. You'll If you start typing this in Google search, you'll say the same drop down. Let us choose our next keyword as parenting guide for adolescents. Let's choose that. And the next keyword can be parenting teenagers. So the blog will essentially be about parenting your kids. What will be the development milestones? You can go for 10 keywords here, and let's hit start. So this thing is going online and generating a quantitative overview for the keywords that we have selected. There are three keywords, so it will go and search for all these keywords and assimilate a summary of all top 10 articles happening for these keywords. Thereafter, it will start suggesting us the article type. In the meantime, we can give instructions to AI. So let us give a desired topic. We will be writing on healthy eating tips for every teen. Okay, so it is updated. It has recommended journal. The options could be beginner's guide, listicle, service page, affiliate. But yes, let us go with the recommended options. Write a blog for right. It gives three articles as references. So let us see what it has chosen out of the top 10. It has chosen betterhealth.vic.gov.au, teenager and communication, better health channel. It has chosen child mind through SERP results. This one has come from AI source. And the third one it has selected is again SERP results raising child. Okay, so what it has chosen is a content score of 64. That is the on-page SEO score. The second one is 56, and the third one is 38. The options for higher score are hand in hand parenting, supporting our teenager. We can have a look at it. Let's open a new tab. What the link says. Okay, the article briefly talks about adolescent life. Okay, so it is about behavior. It has nothing to do with dietary preferences. So let us ignore that. Let us continue with the three articles it has chosen. prompt library for GEO optimization. Presently, it is optimizing your content. If the question is asked in SEO, in search as what are the most effective strategies for communicating with my adolescent? How can I support my teenagers' mental health? What are the most common developmental milestones of adolescents? So these questions, if asked, or variations of these are asked in search results, the article should pop up. We can add our questions if we want to optimize the article for something else as well. So let's keep it that way. It will give you key terms that these key terms should be present in the content, in the headings or elsewhere. Like it has shown, it will be of low importance if this word is present in the heading, but as compared to others, yes, it has a low impact, but it should be present. Like we can add our key terms as well. Okay, so the tone is because we have an essential pro plan, so this feature will be available for higher plans. Will for India, we'll choose our language as British. It has recommended that 4 to 6 images should be there. AI detection is enabled. Okay, so let's create a title. Okay, so what it is recommending is the first title of AI generated titles. Let us first see what are the top ranking titles at present. At present on Google search, the top ranking titles are Parenting Teenagers, Psychology Today Canada. We can, like, if we hit this, the title, our selected title will change to this. We'll be writing on this again, but let us choose something else. Understanding Children's Guide. Let us go with it. Go ahead with this. We'll ask it to create an outline. Okay, that was quick. Scalenut has created an outline which consists of these headings. It is recommending 23 to 28 headings, but it has by default chosen 29 headings. And if we click on the top ranking outlines, the articles, the top 10 one again are broken down as per their heading structure. We can choose, we can view, we can select of these. So let us first understand what is the structure it has proposed for us. One is the key highlights, that is a summary, introduction of the topic, key stages of child development. It has broken down into 3 subheadings. Now, physical development milestones, it has given in 2 subheadings. So what it is counting is one heading, 2 and 3. So on one topic there are 3 headings. Then cognitive development is another topic with 2 subheadings. Emotional and social development, another 3 headings. Parenting strategies for each stage, 3, and then likewise it goes on to the bottom. There are 3 frequently asked questions. Now, what we can do is it gives us options of questions that are generated by AI marked here, AI prompt library. If we scroll down, it will give people also ask questions from Google. It is giving a question asked related to a topic on Reddit and also on Quora. So we can select either of these. This is the SERP question. So let us keep it this way because our headings are already overflowing, but we will just go for the purpose of tutorial, we'll go through what are the options. If we go for gaps and gains, it will simply analyze what this topic has covered as gains and what the topic has, what this outline has missed as gaps. So this outline on the topic understanding child development milestones is not talking about self-care and well-being for parents. Yes, it has nothing to do with parents at the moment. Maintaining strong parent-child relationships during adolescence. So it is not about development. This part it is about relationships. We'll talk about this later. Navigating teen independence and emotional responses. Communicating about sensitive topics, sex, drugs, and media. Supporting gender-specific needs and interests. So these can be avoided at the moment. But if you want, say, let us include this. So we clicked it, and you'll see that under conclusions it has popped up, and we can simply scroll it above. What options do we have? We can add subheadings to it. If we click subheadings and ask AI to generate, it will read the topic. It will again go into the best outlines and give us some suggestions. We are talking of gender specific needs and interests. These are some suggestions from which we can choose, but if we choose, we increase the number of headings. It is already 130, so let us ignore that. We delete this one as well. Right, and we are highlighting key terms in the headings itself. So let's hit generate, and it will take its own sweet time to generate the article. So we'll quit this video at the moment. We'll come back again with another video where we'll talk about the same article which is generated here. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.